to run.
No, she's ready to crawl. It's the arms. You get yourself up there, and you're like, I got the arms don't want to move. My hand. Did you show Mama what we're supposed to do with your binkies?
So, I took a picture, I posted it. You saw that, right? Her new binky string?
Show me her binky.
Oh, yeah.
That is hot.
If there was a bottle over there.
Oh, there she goes. Look at her up. Oh, and she's down.
You can do it now. Yes, baby.
That's a start. If you drank your belly, it's okay. You had the motion down. You had the limbs working.
The spot on your ankle's bigger.
I know.
They should
I'm
put it
actually
on.
putting antifungal on it right now. I don't know what it
They
is.
should put it
I'm
on.
hoping it's gotten better with the antifungal. I've been using this anti-itch cream, but I don't know. Scratched the shit out of it 4th of July night.
He's sleepy now.
Hi.
There.
Wave hi. Hi.
Yes, hi is much better. I heard in his voice last night. Like, what? I was like, oh, Jimmy, Jimmy said bye bye. He was like,
Well, 'cause she does say bye-bye to me. Can't teach her see you later.
Check you
Focus
later.
on
Check you later. Oh, look, she's going to turn around and come back to Mama. Oh,
Lila.
she's going to lay right there and go to sleep.
She knows she's sleepy.
You know, is she sucking on her fingers?
No, she's clawing her eye out.
Oh.
Baby girl. I need to buy more toys for the house.
Those rings, I got them at Wally World in Tracy, and they're $4. And that all as long as you